Hello everyone, welcome to our next video. In this video, we'll see how to calculate CTC breakup. So our object and focus area, what is CTC, how to calculate the CTC structure, formula to calculate CTC, how many components of earnings. So what is CTC? CTC is the cost of a company which company pay to their employee for their service. In CTC, it includes fixed and other variable component. CTC is calculated by adding up basic salaries and benefit like EPF, ESI, gratuity, bonus, etc. All thing is benefit and fixed and variable component added in CTC. How to calculate the CTC structure? So first determine your basic salary. So basic salary is of the your 40 to 50% of your gross salary. 40% for metro city, 50% for non-metro city. So for the basic calculation of basic salary is equals to gross salary minus all allowance. There's a CTC structure, house rent allowance, conveyance allowance, other allowance, bonus, and it will be deducted by EPF, professional tax, income tax, and gratuity, labor welfare. It will all the benefit is deducted by the how deducted in the CTC structure. Formula to calculate CTC. First, CTC equals to gross salary plus gratuity plus PF, or CTC equals to basic salary plus benefit plus PF. It is a CTC. Calculation of gross salary, basic salary plus HRA plus additional allowance is a gross salary, and net salary is gross salary minus PT tax, means professional tax, PF, EPF, public provident fund, and minus income tax will be equal to net salary. And also if your company is paid, giving the benefit for labor welfare, gratuity, that is also minus in the net salary equals to gross salary minus professional tax, public provident fund minus income tax minus labor welfare minus gratuity. It is equal to net salary. How many components of earnings? There are two components of earnings, fixed earnings and variable earnings. So what is fixed earnings? As I say, basic salary, DRS allowance, house rent allowance, leave travel allowance, conveyance allowance, medical allowance are a fixed earning, and variable earning, gratuity, bonus, incentives, overtime, extra day, it is a variable earning. So I hope you have understand the CTC part, CTC structures. If you have any question, you can email us info@skillanything.com or contact in this number.